What's happening, people? This is my latest build here. It's an MSI motherboard based Intel processor, let's see, Skylake build. It's pretty sweet. I still need to put a video card and a couple more cooling fans and stuff in it to complete it, but it's definitely operational now, and I've got it online, and it runs pretty good just off the onboard video that it has. MSI is pretty sweet stuff. A lot of different options, a lot of different sound options. I have a light up power supply in the bottom you can barely see. Has like a clear top that I thought was pretty cool. And Roswell case, Roswell, or however you want to pronounce it. The front's magnetic, it lifts off. I'll show you in a second. Let's see what it looks like powered on. That's when it looks cool. I really like this motherboard with that temperature display right there on your processor cores, and it gives you a case temperature, which is pretty sweet. Any kind of trouble codes and stuff like that will also come up there, which makes it easy to diagnose. I like how you have the light up tracing on the sound. I think that's the sound circuitry, which is pretty impressive on this thing. But let's go see if I can get the glass off without breaking it. We'll take a closer look inside. And I'll talk about some of the idea I had for it. Right on this panel here, I'm thinking about having my daughter paint something. She's a really good artist, and I think that would be cool. I'm not sure what yet, but it's probably an anime character or something like that, which would be cool right there. After I get a bigger video card in it, this thing will really be rocking. It does really well now. I'm impressed with it. I like it. I like it a lot. And said you got the 3 here in the front, but if people need computers built, let me know your budget and what you want it to do, and I'll let you know. Shop around for parts and stuff like that. I can generally do pretty good. Or build a higher end game system. Or if your stuff just needs an upgrade, like some RAM makes a big difference. It's always good to use good RAM. Or if you're running hot, you might need a bigger CPU cooler. Anything like that, hit me up. Let me know. Hillbilly Pyro out.